Time once again for The Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, it's always my pleasure to be out here with you.
It's great to be with you, Dave.
All right, so something big is going on with the upcoming election that you guys want to talk about today. Tell everybody what's going on.
Yeah, you know, we're less than 40 days now from Supreme Court election, and, you know, it's really an unprecedented election in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. There's 3 seats that are up. And the race doesn't usually get a lot of attention, but it's really very important, and we just want to give some, everybody some education on it. The Supreme Court of Pennsylvania is, 3 seats on this. It affects everything that goes on in our lives, really. Voting rights. When there was the presidential election a couple of years ago, the Supreme Court made a decision, right before the election about, voting, ID cards. So there's some things that, really are very, very critical. And, we just want to give some information on it so that everybody's aware and can get out there and make an educated decision about this race.
Yeah, and we're going into the general election. So what that means is that every person is going to have three votes for the candidate. So that means you can vote for Republican or Democrat, but what we're encouraging everybody to do is take a look at their records, look who went out there and did the right things in your belief, like what's important to you, and really study these candidates because they do have a huge effect on you immediately and into the future, because when they're elected, they have a 10-year term, I believe,
yeah,
and then they have to seek retention. So
mandatory retirement age is 70.
Right.
Yeah.
So, all these factors have to kind of weigh in when you're looking at this race, because the Supreme Court, there's not a higher court in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. So that, having said that, these are your highest they hold the highest seat when you go through the legal process. So they make the final decision. So important race, get out there, study it, make sure you know who you're voting for. You have 3 votes, don't waste them.
Absolutely.
So pay attention more than ever to the upcoming election.
Most definitely.
Our viewers who need some legal advice, how can they reach you guys?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
And what we'll do is we'll post some information on our Facebook page, and on our website about the Supreme Court and about what it does, so that, people can start getting more educated about who they are and what they do, and then understanding the importance of it.
Look at that. We don't even have to go to Google.
See? There you
go.
go.
Results matter more than ever with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much.
Take care.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are always open.